Rat versus grasshopper. This is gonna build it. Grasshopper is. Oh my god, it jumped away. Oh my god. The show is beginning. Look at the grasshopper. It's on the roof. Okay, the rat is searching for the grasshopper. Come on, rat. Grasshopper is running away. Okay, they are close to each other. Rat is currently on the run. Grasshopper on the wall. Does the rat smile? And the rat is eating some junk food instead of grasshopper. This is a disaster. Where's the second rat? She's fucking chilling in the house. Grasshopper is on the rat's house. What will the rats do about this? Oh my god. This is getting interesting. The rat. She's fucking blind, man. Rat is showering herself. Oh my god, the battle begins. Oh my god, the rat strikes. Rat strikes. Oh my god. I've never seen something like this.
What the
Oh my
fuck?
god. Oh my god, the rat is literally eating the grasshopper. Oh my
What
god.
the fuck?
Oh my god, she took it in her house. Guys, this was the show. I didn't expect that. Oh my god, grasshopper is dead. Rest in peace, guys. Rest in peace.